The Nikon Z7 III has emerged as a significant advancement in Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, offering enhanced features that cater to both professional photographers and videographers. This detailed overview delves into the key specifications, features, and potential impact of the Z7 III on the photography and videography landscape. Introduction to the Nikon Z7 III. The Nikon Z7 III represents a substantial leap forward in Nikon's mirrorless camera technology. Building upon the foundation set by its predecessors, the Z7 III incorporates cutting-edge advancements to meet the evolving demands of modern imaging professionals. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Z7 III lies a high-resolution full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. The sensor's design ensures superior dynamic range and low-light performance, making it suitable for a wide range of photographic applications, from studio portraits to expansive landscapes. Autofocus system. The Z7 III is equipped with an advanced autofocus system that boasts a high number of phase detection points. This system provides fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions. The inclusion of AI-driven subject tracking further enhances the camera's ability to maintain focus on moving subjects, making it ideal for wildlife and sports photography. In-body image stabilization. To complement its high-resolution sensor, the Z7 III features an in-body image stabilization IBIS system. This system compensates for camera shake, allowing photographers to capture sharp images at slower shutter speeds without the need for a tripod. The effectiveness of the IBIS system is particularly beneficial in handheld shooting scenarios. Processing power. The camera is powered by a robust image processor that facilitates rapid data handling and processing. This processing power enables high-speed, continuous shooting and efficient handling of large image files, ensuring that photographers can capture fast-moving subjects with clarity and precision. Burst shooting capabilities. With its high-speed burst shooting capabilities, the Z7 III allows photographers to capture sequences of fast-moving subjects. This feature is particularly advantageous in sports and action photography, where capturing the decisive moment is crucial. Video capabilities. The Z7 III offers impressive video recording features, including high-resolution 4K recording. These capabilities make it a versatile tool for content creators who require both high-quality stills and video. The camera's video features are complemented by its advanced autofocus system, ensuring smooth and accurate focusing during video capture. Build quality and design. Crafted with durability in mind, the Z7 III features a robust body construction that can withstand the rigors of professional use. The camera's design includes weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture, making it suitable for shooting in various environmental conditions. User interface and controls. The Z7 III boasts an intuitive user interface that facilitates easy navigation through its extensive feature set. Customizable controls allow photographers to tailor the camera's operation to their specific preferences, enhancing the overall shooting experience. Battery life. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the Z7 III offers extended shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This feature is particularly beneficial for photographers who engage in long shooting periods, such as during events or wildlife expeditions. Connectivity options. The camera includes a range of connectivity options, including wireless and wired interfaces, enabling seamless integration with various devices and accessories. These connectivity features enhance the camera's versatility and adaptability in different shooting scenarios. Lens compatibility. The Z7 III is compatible with Nikon's extensive range of lenses, providing photographers with a wide array of options to suit their specific needs. The camera's lens mount ensures secure attachment and optimal performance with each lens. Price and value proposition. While the Z7 III is positioned as a high-end mirrorless camera, its advanced features and performance capabilities offer significant value for professionals seeking top-tier imaging tools. The camera's pricing reflects its premium status in Nikon's lineup. Conclusion. The Nikon Z7 III stands as a testament to Nikon's commitment to innovation and excellence in the field of mirrorless cameras. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, and robust build quality makes it a compelling choice for photographers and videographers seeking a versatile and reliable tool for their creative endeavors.